Hey guys, Julie here from Julie Designs. In this video, I just wanted to demonstrate how you can color coloring pages in Procreate. So I actually have some that I've created on my website over at juliearondesigns.com. Once you're there, you can just head over to Downloads. And then if you scroll down, you can see here I have all of these digital download files available. Some of them are free, some of them cost money. But I have a bunch of these free coloring pages. I'm just gonna select one of these to demonstrate. So I'm gonna click on Add to Cart and then View Cart. And then from here, I'm gonna click on Proceed to Checkout. And then you can just fill out some basic contact information here, like your email address, and then check off whether or not you want to receive my newsletter. I do send out a monthly newsletter with blog posts and other resources. So now you can click on Proceed to PayPal, but if the item is free, it's not going to redirect to PayPal. It's just going to send you to this next page where you can click on the file under Download. And then click on the share button and select save to files. And then from here, you can save it on your iPad or in another folder that you have. And then click on save. So then you're going to open the Procreate app and then click on import. And then you can go to recents and that file should just be right on the top there. And now we can start coloring. And now I'm going into my color palettes. So I'm just selecting a color and then I'm going to go ahead and drag that color over from the corner. So now I'm just dragging my pencil over to the right to increase the threshold, and I'm just going to zoom in and show you the difference here. So you want to make sure that there aren't any little white pixels showing up. You just want to make sure that it's filling the space entirely with that color. So you can increase or decrease that threshold in order to just make it like more or less filled. So we want it pretty much at the highest fill. So again, I'm going to go ahead and drag the color over from the corner into the area that I want to fill. And then you're going to increase or decrease that threshold until it's filling it just enough, but not all the way so that it just fills the entire screen. So now I'm going to go in and fill in my mandala here, but instead of going one by one like that, I'm going to turn on the drawing guide. So I'm going to go to that wrench icon and then click on Canvas and then click on Drawing Guide, Edit Drawing Guide, and then under Symmetry Options, turn on the Radial option. And then I'm going to just pinch to zoom in with my fingers. And then I'm going to start dragging those colors over. And you can see it's going to speed up the amount of time that I'm going to need to spend coloring in this design. Now, if you wanted to just go one by one, that's completely fine as well. If you're just doing this to kind of relax and you want it to take a little bit longer, that's totally up to you and how you want to utilize this practice. So now I'm just pressing down with one finger in order to select that purple color again. So just hold down one finger on that color and you can see that it has updated our color. And now we can drag that purple color over to the areas that we want to fill. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue filling in the colors of this design. So now I'm pretty much all done filling in the colors here, and I just wanted to play around with some other color options. You can click on the magic wand under the adjustments menu and then click on gradient map. And then there's a whole bunch of different gradient maps that are already within Procreate. You can also make your own gradients. So you can change these colors, move them around. You can kind of see how you can kind of just play around with these and see if you like any of these other color combinations. So it's just a fun and quick way to kind of recolor your design. So anyway, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you use any of my coloring pages that you've downloaded from my website, please tag me on Instagram or other social media at Julie Erin Designs. I would love to see what you've done. And that's all I've got for you. So we'll see you in my next video. Cheers.